Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to make bolt in SolidWorks. So let's get started. First of all, change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. Now select front plane, select sketch. Now we have to draw one polygon here. So select polygon. Now select smart dimension, select this circle and we'll make it 50 millimeter. Now select this point, hold the control key, select the origin point and give relation vertical, click OK here. Now the sketch is fully defined, go to the features, select extrude boss base, put here thickness 25 millimeter and click OK. Now select this face, select sketch, select normal to, select the circle and draw one circle here. Select smart dimension, select this circle. We'll keep it 50. Now again go to the features, select extruded cut, select flip side to cut, select this box and put here 45 degrees. Now click OK. Now right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. You can select circle from here as well. Now select smart dimension, select this circle and give diameter 30 mm. Now go to the features, select extrude boss base, put here length 100 mm and click OK here. Now we'll see how to make threads on the bolt. Drop down hold wizard and select thread. Here in thread location we have to select starting edge of the thread. So we'll select this edge. Here in the type we have so many options, but whenever you are making thread always select metric tab. Now drop down this and we have three options here. If you want threads on the half portion, so you can select blind or revolution. And here you have to put the depth. You can increase or decrease the depth. Now we'll select up to the selection and select this face. Now it will make threads up to this face. Here you can change the size of the thread. Now you can see the pitch of the thread is changed. Again we'll change the size. From here you can change the diameter of the threads. Okay, we'll make it 40 millimeter. Now you can see this, the diameter of threads is 40 millimeter. And from here you can change the pitch of the threads. Now select here extrude thread, always select here extrude thread. Now here select any option you required, so we'll select left hand thread. Now click OK. You can see the thread start somewhere here, so we can't move the nut properly because of that. Now select thread 1 and select edit feature. Here select offset, increase this thickness and select this reverse direction box. Now click OK here. Now right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to, select circle and draw one circle here and draw another circle. Now select smart dimension, select this circle, we'll make it 20 mm. Again select this circle and we'll make it 42 mm. Now go to the features, select extrude cut, select here reverse direction and click OK here. Now you can see the proper starting of the thread. Now we'll apply material to the bolt. Go to the appearance, select metal, select steel, drag this polished steel, drop on the bolt and select body. So today we have learned how to make bolt in the SolidWorks. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.